traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So actually very sideways day for the pound dollar. I'm actually still looking for shorts unless it breaks this structure right here. No break of structure, no looking for longs for me. I think it would make a lot of sense for this to retest this 78% Fibonacci also. I think it's likely to go down there before we do get the real bounce and possibly the real break of structure. But we don't know that it's going to respect this 78%. It possibly could blow right past there. I'm definitely looking for shorts at least until we have a break of structure, which this right here is my break of structure level. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.